we'll start with the first one, which is asset deprecation. So let's say you want to deprecate assets which have not been queried, not been queried in the last 365 days. And you want to deprecate them, add a certificate, and later decide whether you want to actually deprecate it in your physical layer. So it's almost like a retention policy or a deprecation policy. So let's see what we can do here. So we have filtered all our assets into Snowflake. Let's say I want to find all assets which have been last queried before 2021, 31st December. As soon as I switch that, looks like it reduces the scope. Suddenly we have less assets, which likes a lot of unused assets, which is business as usual for a lot of data teams, right? Now, if you just quickly hover on this filter, let's convert this filter to a playbook. So for the sake of this demo, I'm gonna call it Snowflake Deprecation Playbook. This, let's do a quick create. As soon as I did that, it automatically landed up into the playbook section in the governance screen, where it automatically applied some of these filters for you, saying, hey, if connector is Snowflake and last query is before this, it gives you a preview that there are 14K actually assets that have not been queried. And you can see a quick preview in case maybe you want to change the rules, do something, and you can then take action. So for the sake of this demo, what we are going to do is for all the assets which have been not used, maybe for last 365 days, let's add this certificate deprecator so that folks know that they should check before using some of this because this might be stale. So as soon as you do this, it's as simple as that. We just did some filtering, click the button, it was able to create, and we can decide to schedule this. Now you can decide when you want to schedule. What this will mean is you can set up not this as a one-time thing, but you can ensure that every time there's an asset which crosses this window of staleness or unusage, you can keep marking them as deprecated, right? And later decide whether you actually want to clean it up in your warehouse or decide not to clean it up because they was actually relevant. So that's the first playbook, which is one of the most common playbooks that we've been seeing, especially in the new macro world, where everybody wants to save cost.